your job was the opportunity? What if the divorce is an opportunity? What if the bankruptcy is an opportunity? What if the one you loved was an opportunity for you to reconnect with somebody and forgive them? I need you to see the bigger picture. I need you to have a little gratitude. You need to learn how to smile. You need to work out. I know you hate the gym. I know you hate to lift weights. I know you hate cardio. I know you don't like drinking water. I know you don't like taking care of your temple. You think it's the hardest thing to do in the world to commit. But there is somebody who's in the grave today, and if they had another opportunity to live, they would enthusiastically, with great confidence and courage and consistency, do what you hate just to live a little longer. Find the positive. See the bigger picture. Guard your gratitude. The trial, the tribulation, the adversity, the giant is not your assassin. The giant is your opportunity. Are you going to complain in the face of conflict, or are you going to seize the opportunity? I don't care what it is that you're trying to achieve, what you're trying to accomplish, what you're trying to give, how you're trying to evolve, what you are looking to become. Everything rises and falls on your perspective. Stop complaining about the jealousy and the envy and the backbiting and the person that gave up on you and the person that wasn't present and the person that lied to you and the person that attempted to manipulate and control. I'm not weary, I'm wiser. I'm not toxic, I'm triumphant. I see this thing differently. This season that you've entered into did not come to break you. It came to build you into the man or woman God has destined you to be. Change your perspective.
All right, we're gonna go ahead and get started. We are gonna start with the monthly on gold, and the monthly high the monthly high for gold is 4030.61. The monthly low is 37.52.97. For 030.61 is the high. The low is 37.52.97. Give mid-month distance of 38.91.79. And we got a weekly high of 4063.43. And a weekly low of 39.62.63. So 40.63.43 is the high. The low is 39.62.63. Given a mid-month resistance of 4013.03. It's the current week. So we always look at the current week and the current month. So that's what your weekly and monthly high should look like. It's showing gold pulling back up right now. Gold is consolidating. He passed my plane back. So right now we have gold consolidating. It looked like it's consolidating right at the midweek area between the weekly low and the monthly high. That's where the consolidation is happening at for gold. So we need a confirm the confirmation out of this consolidation before you get into anything. I wouldn't touch it right now because it's no clear direction. It's no clear trend. Not even on a daily, it's a clear trend. This is rejecting above the mid-month. I'm anticipating for it to pull back up, but we need a clear break out of the consolidation. We need a clear trend, a clear direction. To move over to US 30. So you got the monthly high for the US 30 at 47.721.6. The monthly low 45.849. So the monthly high 47.721.6. Monthly low 45.849. Give it a mid-month resistance of 46.785.3. So the monthly and the weekly high is the same right now. So we have a weekly low of 47.010.3. $47.721.6 because we got the same high as the monthly. And the weekly low is 47.010.3. Given a midweek resistance of 47.3 66. So we got a candle coming below the midweek resistance. On the US 30. Does pull down. The sell. So we got US 37. I'm looking for you, if being that it's underneath the weekly low, I'm looking for it to pull down. To retest the weekly low. What happened to my thing? I don't know what just took place just now. Bringing everything else out fast. So, seeing as how we have US 30 trending on a daily sell trend, I'm looking for the 30 to continue selling and retrace that weekly low. Here, it might actually even come down to the mid-month resistance. It might come down and retest that mid-month resistance area here. Got it under the midweek. We got it in accordance with a sell trend. Move over to Nas. Y'all see my screen? I don't know what is going on. Y'all can see my screen?
Yes.
All right, thank you. All right, we're gonna go over to.
April Route does see the screen.
Thank you for that confirmation.
Affirmative.
So we got the monthly high for Nas at 26,163.32. Got the monthly low at 24,288.32. 26,163.32. 24,288.32. Given a midweek resistance of 25,225.82. Okay, and we got the weekly low, the weekly high and the monthly high is the same right now. But not, we got a weekly low of 25,287.49. We got the weekly high at 26,163.32. The weekly low 25,287.49. 25,725.41. So we got no trend on Nas right now. We got Nas moving sideways. Like between the weekly high and the monthly high. Between the monthly high and the midweek resistance. Because we have no trend on Nas, I wouldn't touch it. Because there's no clear direction of which way it's moving. Right here. We need a breakout. We need it to either break below or break above the high to see if the uptrend is going to continue from the previous week or if it's going to pull back some more. But right now we have a consolidation and we don't trade consolidation because there's no clear direction. You might.
Quick question.
Yeah.
Is that because of the election?
It's definitely probably because of the election, and the market's probably going to be closed tomorrow too. So I wouldn't get in no trades anyway because tomorrow's election day.
Right.
So I would look more towards Tuesday to get back in the market. But we had to do these markets.
Wednesday.
Huh? For Wednesday, yeah. Because where the
I
market is gonna
booted
open.
early.
The market is gonna reopen tomorrow at 6 p.m. Eastern time. But it's still election. It's still like coming off election day, so you're gonna see the market really react. That's why we got to consolidate. Consolidation is only order accumulation, so it's basically like accumulating orders when it's moving sideways like this. We're gonna do Bitcoin. Oh, God. So we got a monthly high for Bitcoin at 112, 183.90. And a weekly low, 105.271. Dot 67. So the monthly high 112, 183.90. The weekly low 105.271.67. Giving a mid-month resistance. So 108.727.79. Look like the monthly and a weekly candle of Bitcoin is like almost the same. It's like slightly different. Like the weekly candle is a little bit higher. So we got a weekly high. We got a weekly high of 112.281.95. It's like slightly higher, but the weekly and the monthly low is the same. So 112 to 81.95, and the weekly low 105 to 71.67, giving a midweek resistance of 108.776.81. We got Bitcoin trending down, but I wouldn't even touch anything tomorrow anyway. Not even if you see this trend right here on Bitcoin, just off the fact that the election can really deter the market. And Bitcoin can pull back up here and reject. So if you're looking for a sell, you will want to wait till it pull back up. I wouldn't take no sell from where it's at. And on a 4 hour, it's moving sideways anyway. Right here. We got price unclear right here. So when you see it like this with it wicking at the top and the bottom, that's unclear price action. So it's no clear direction of which way price is moving right here. With the Hakanashi candles, when you see the flat tops, that's indication of the trend is continuing. When you see it wicking out like this, that's unclear price action. So this tells us that right here, these last four candles, 1, 2, 3, 4, tells us that price is unclear of the direction with Bitcoin. And that's likely due to the election. That's why we got the market moving how it's moving right now. That's why it's moving sideways like that. And that's why you got price unclear of which direction it's going to move. But Bitcoin is in a sell trend. I will look for it to pull back up and take a sell from here and right around the trend line. If it doesn't break above the midweek, mid-month area, if we don't get a clear candle pull above it, then this is where I will be looking to take the sell at. But where it's at right now is not clear that price is going to continue down from where it's at. US 30 is showing a sell trend, but again, it's election day going into tomorrow. I wouldn't take no trades until Wednesday. So Wednesday, I will look to we'll have a better idea of which direction we going in the market. Right now, we got consolidation on NAS. We got a clear trend on US 30, but we looking right. If we were taking a sell here, we would look to take the sell here at the trend line. And we have gold moving sideways between the monthly high and the weekly low. and we got Bitcoin having unclear price action. So on Wednesday, after election, around 6 o'clock, I'm gonna be looking more at the market to see if we could pull anything out the market this week, and I will be placing those trades in the group just because the market is like moving so choppy right now. Like we got choppy movement. I wouldn't tell y'all to get in this right now. We got election day and we got choppy movement, choppy price action. So on Wednesday, I'm gonna be dropping some signals out in the group. Likely Tuesday night until Wednesday, I'm gonna be dropping some signals out there in the group. Also, for all of those who are looking to fix their credit and get funding to put money in the market, okay, I want y'all to head over to that credit repair section inside the Discord and fill out that form inside the Discord. And this way I have a clear idea and clear direction of who's looking to get funded and to get put money in the market and not have to rely on prop firms and your own money. Okay, with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and end this out, and I'm gonna be putting this call inside the group within the next couple of hours.
That's what I'm talking about. My money.
That's what I'm talking about.
Paper route.
All right, now, over and out, y'all.